Hey guys, this is another video for solving the Outlook issues. If you're trying to open Microsoft Outlook and encountering the Outlook.exe 0xc0000142 application error, then this video is for you. First, right click on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Then type Apps and look for the Apps and Features option. Now search for Microsoft Office in your list. I have Microsoft Office 2007, but yours version might be different. So whatever the version you have, just click on Modify. Choose the repair option and then click Continue to start repairing process. The repair process may take a few minutes to an hour, so patience is highly recommended. Once the repair is complete, restart your PC and your issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe.